What is going on? Today we are talking about ADA, Cardano, and why you should be buying into it, what you should be doing right now, and what I will be doing with Cardano. If you're new to this channel, my name is Aaron. I'm on a journey to my second Bitcoin, and more importantly, I'm trying to help as many people to their first. Okay, let's just get right into it. This is Charles Hoskinson, and he is the founder of Cardano. He helped start Ethereum. If you don't know what that is, it's like the biggest smart contract blockchain. It's a lot more than that, but I'm just trying to keep it simple for everybody. And the reason why we want to let this, let you know who this man is because he comes with a lot of credibility. Okay, this is not some undoxed team for some like pup doge safe, Mars thing. Like this is like a legit person. And so, well, when we're talking about Cardano, this is always an extension of Charles Hoskinson. He's like a programmer, developer, brilliant person. So let's just get right into Cardano. Cardano is trading right now at a new all-time high of $2.53. Here's why this is important. Because the bull run up into May was the largest bull run that crypto has ever seen. All of these new cryptos were hitting all new all-time highs. Even like the weird little pup safe moon meme coins were like just taking off and making millionaires for people. So people just kept piling in. Well, come June, come July, that thing just tanked. That went onto some bear trend and it cut everyone's moon bags in half. Like I saw myself take 40%, 50% cuts trying to just like hold it out, and then it just whatever. Now we have been in this bear trend all the way up until this week. Why this week? Because this week marks the first time a coin from that that reached an all-time high back in May reached its all-time high again and then surpassed it. Its previous all-time high was $2.42, and now of course we see it at $2.53. It is at its highest point right now. And so what do we do with this? Now for me, this says do not buy right now. This is what that says, okay? At a new all-time high, right when everything is coming up, I don't think it's not in for me. Now the case could be made to buy some more, and here's the case for that, and then I'll explain why I don't want to buy it. The case to buy some more is that Bitcoin has not yet reached its all-time high, and so we could be seeing Bitcoin keep on cresting, keep on moving that momentum upward, and then we see a whole bunch of other people move in. And so honestly, I could convince myself to buy more Cardano. Why? Because I love Cardano that much. I just hate buying at all-time highs. It's just like a personal rule of mine. But I could also see the other end of it. Like, hey, Bitcoin's sitting trading at like $47,000 right now. And so the market cap for the total cryptocurrency world is 2 trillion right now. And so it's back to where it was, or at least close to, I think it was 2.2 trillion. And so there's a lot of excitement, a lot of volume going through here. And Cardano is just the first one to reach its peak. So what I see happening personally, that you're watching this video on Saturday, I'm recording it the day before Friday. I personally see a small retraction or retracement this weekend. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, this is never financial advice. This is just what I see, like a little lizard brain cowboy. I see this moving back down over the weekend, and then maybe that is a good time for you to buy in. Especially, I mean, it's going to be like still pretty high, but that's just personally what I think is going to happen. Now, time will tell. All I have to do is wait till Monday and see if my assumption was correct. This is not like some fortune telling thing. You don't even have to be a genius to say that Cardano is going to the moon. Honestly, if your time frame was a year, buy Cardano now and just wait a year, right? If your Cardano, or if your time frame is just a month, yeah, you might want to see, okay, let's if you're more into trading like I am, I'm trying to move in and out of the markets. Yeah, you don't know. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's hard to say, but that is my personal opinion on this. At $2.52 right now, I see it coming back a little bit, pulling back on a Saturday, Sunday, and then and here's another reason that I think that because Bitcoin hasn't reached its cresting motion yet, and a lot of these other coins haven't, I see money coming out of Cardano into those other coins, people trying to move within the markets as well. That's another reason why I don't think that I would like to buy Cardano, even though I love Cardano, even though I believe in it in the future. My current timeline right now is not a year to hold Cardano. It's really just maybe like 2 months, and then I'll reassess. Now, why should you buy Cardano? And I'm going to shill for you a little bit, and these are just my reasons why. Smart contracts is coming out September 12th. That's the predicted rate or date that is coming out. Now, that could be pushed back because it has been pushed back in the past. But I know a lot of projects, I'm talking to a lot of Cardano projects that are excited and preparing for the September 12th date. So if Cardano pushes its smart contract release back another week, 2 weeks, all of these projects have to push their projects back another week or 2 weeks. And I don't think Cardano wants to do that. I think if they put out a date, more than likely they're going to stick to it. Other unforeseen circumstances always happen in crypto, so just be careful of that. If you are looking at different Cardano projects, I really like Sunday Swap. I really like Vi Finance. These are two ones that I am looking at very closely. Any Cardano project, in my opinion, that has like real use case, get in them early. And the reason why is Cardano is just such a highly anticipated blockchain. It has like a cult-like following. I personally love it, and so I just want to be smart about. Look, it's retracing right now as a 50 from 51 to 51. I'm not some genius, but you know what I'm saying. I'm just a little cowboy. Don't trust what I'm saying. Honestly, this is just me and you talking. I just want to. I'm just excited about this. So that's the first one. Smart contracts, September 12th. My timeline right now is to hold my position, take profit right now. This is what I'm doing. I just took some profit. I took 25% off the table. If it goes up, no problem. I'm happy. I locked in profit. It goes down, no problem. I'm happy. I took profit. And so that's why it's so important to take profit. Don't get too greedy and gamble. Be smart and lizard brain. Don't overthink it and just take a little profit off the top and lock in that win. The next one is that it's stable. The reason why to buy this coin is that it's a long-term stability. Like, this is the number 3 crypto in the world right now, and the market cap is $80 billion, right? It was just $77 billion yesterday. The reason why I point out the market cap is because a lot of people think that, if it goes up 1 penny, look, for it to go to $5 and double, this market cap has to double in price too. So this has to be 160. Now, the reason why I think that's totally doable is because it is a run-up competitor against Ethereum, and Ethereum is like 377 market cap. $382 billion in market cap. So if you look at this could easily 4x if we're trying to fight against Ethereum. Now, when we're talking about market caps growing, there's 2 ways that this market cap grows. There's only 2. One, money from other coins like Binance and Ethereum pour into Cardano, or 2, money from outside, like institutional money, like hedge funds, pour into it for the first time. So do I see Cardano stealing market share from Ethereum and Binance and even Bitcoin? Yes, of course I do. I think people will want to pull their money out of these things and go into Cardano. I'm not sure how much. I couldn't tell you. I couldn't even hazard a guess. I also think that a lot of institutional money will be coming in for the first time here. If you could see at the top, the total market cap is 2 trillion. I don't know, it's pretty small here, 2 trillion. Go to coin market cap, and that always changes, so don't go by this. Just while you're watching this video, pull that up as well. But yeah, I think that's really interesting too. The institutional FOMO is coming in now, guys. I think you should be aware of that institutions are pouring in. I mean, if you check out this ascending volume, there's a ton. You could go on Twitter, you could do all that kind of research, but institutions look at all this volume at the bottom. Institutions are pulling in or pouring in their money right now. When I say institutions, hedge funds, big companies, all that kind of stuff. The reputable team, of course, is another reason why to invest in Cardano. And additionally, last thing is there's tons of adoption in Cardano. There's a lot of people wanting their projects to be put on Cardano. I just talked to Vi Finance developer. He is the only DeFi ecosystem that he's got on there, and he was going to release on Ethereum, and he decided hey, you know what, Ethereum's pricing people out at $50-$60 a trade. It doesn't make sense. You shouldn't make a trade under $2,000 to have a $50-$60 fee. And so I think Ethereum is pricing people out, and Cardano definitely fills that space very nicely. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Join the Telegram, join the Saloon, hit the subscribe, give the like button on this video if you feel generous today. Guys, don't overthink things, right? Lizard brain, gorilla arms, diamond hands. Just join the whole bunch of cowboys that's just riding wild out here in the wild west of crypto. I'll talk to you later.